Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a tool for younger skin. It makes your skin look very young, smooth and beautiful. It also tightens your skin. If it needs to be tightened, tighten it. For example, if you don't want your skin to hang down, you can see your skin hanging down when you talk. This helps to tighten the skin quickly. Another thing I like about this amazing tool is that it helps in smoothing. If you have dark spots, pigmentation, it will clear it up and make your skin look very smooth. Benefits of carrot juice for the skin. Small blue diamond 1. Brightens skin tone. Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene. Gives a healthy skin tone. Reduces dullness. Gives the face a natural glow. Small blue diamond 2. Supports collagen production. Vitamin C in carrots. Stimulates collagen synthesis. Increases skin elasticity. Slows down the deepening of wrinkles. Small blue diamond 3. Protects the skin, antioxidant effect. Carrot juice. Reduces the effects of free radicals. Slows down premature skin aging. Protects against environmental damage. Small blue diamond 4. Moisturizes and softens the skin. Carrot juice. Softens dry and tight skin. Supports the skin's natural moisture balance. Eye benefits of carrot juice for under-eye skin. Small orange diamond 5. Improves under-eye color. Lightens dark circles. Evens skin tone. Small orange diamond 6. Smooths fine lines. Nourishes delicate under-eye skin. Makes fine lines less noticeable. Small orange diamond 7. Reduces puffiness and fatigue. Has a calming effect. Makes the eye area look rested. Lotion bottle how to use. In face masks, 1 to 2 times a week. For under-eye area, apply a thin layer using a cotton pad. Can be mixed with other natural ingredients. Warning: important note. If used too often, it may give the skin a yellow tint. For sensitive skin, do a patch test first. Do not get in the eyes. Sparkles summary. Carrot juice. Brightens skin tone. Soothes under-eye circles. Helps smooth wrinkles. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It's very interesting to know. Smiling face with heart eyes, thumbs up, red heart. I'll show you how to use this product. So all you need to do is dip your hands in it and then rub it on your face. Then you apply it to your forehead and under your eyes. If you want to have younger looking skin, try this amazing product. It's natural and it makes your skin look younger and brighter. So after you apply the mask to your skin, you massage it a little with both hands. This helps to tighten the skin. This is to tighten the skin and tighten the skin. This is amazing and very effective. You apply the mask to cleansed skin and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you wash it off. Use normal water to wash off the mask, not cold or hot, just room temperature water. Try this product to get younger looking skin, get rid of wrinkles under your eyes, get rid of wrinkles on your face and get smooth skin. You should use it for at least 3 to 5 days. But you will see how your skin glows the day you use it. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell button to be informed about new videos faster. Dear friends, if you liked the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.